Welcome to the Construction Equipment Company's Roadrunner Series Crushing and Screening Sales and Training videos. CEC and its employees are proud to build some of the highest quality portable rock crushing and screening equipment in the industry. The video you will be viewing today will be covering the sales features and benefits of one or more of the following: portable jaw crushers, portable cone crushers, portable horizontal impact crushers, vertical shaft impactors, portable screenits, 4x10, 5x12, 6x16, portable crushits, portable wash plants, sand screws, coarse material washers, blade mills, radial stackers and conveyors, and vibrating grizzly feeders. Thank you for your attention. We're going to go over the CEC wash plant product line. CEC builds wash plants in the following sizes: 5x14 screen with single 36-inch by 25-foot sand screw, 5x16 screen with single 36-inch by 25-foot sand screw, 6x16 screen with dual 36-inch by 25-foot sand screws, and 6x20 screen with dual 36-inch by 25-foot sand screws. The most popular size of wash plant is the 5x14 screen with 36-inch by 25-foot sand screw. CEC also makes 3 sizes on skid frames with the sand screw freestanding. Now that you know the sizes, let's take a good overview of the CEC wash plants. Each CEC portable wash plant has the following features: heavy-duty portable frame, fifth wheel pull, spring-mounted axles with air brakes, bud wheels and tubeless truck tires, travel lights and mud flaps, CEC heavy-duty screen, CEC wash bar system, CEC sand screw, discharge chutes, blocking legs, access ladder, and walkways, railings, and kick plates. Normally, the limiting factor in the production of a wash plant is the capabilities of the sand screw. A 36-inch by 25-foot sand screw will process 100 tons of sand per hour. A dual screw will process up to 200 tons per hour. Production will vary with fines content. In addition to portable units, CEC can also provide complete systems: a feeder, a feed conveyor, plant product conveyors, electrical starters with wire to the motors, support legs for the conveyors, generator for power, and water pumps would all be included in conjunction with the portable wash plant. Now let's take a more detailed look at the individual aspects of the CEC wash plant, starting with the screen. The 5x14 screen has 100 mm bearings, all steel bearing housings, eccentric shaft, counterweights to increase or decrease the screen stroke, built-in wash bars in the screen basket construction, and rubber spring screen suspension. A feed box with liner and a high-angle underhopper to feed fines to the sand screw is also standard. As just mentioned, the wash bar system is built into the screen basket. There are 5 top bars that bolt on and 5 bars built in for the second and third decks. The wash bars have fan-type spray nozzles. The water is fed up a square tube that is part of the plant frame to the tubular subframe. The subframe has 15 stainless steel ball valves to control the water flow to each spray bar. Red rubber hose connects the ball valves to the spray bars. These hoses are secured so that they do not rub or chafe during operation. A winter drain is provided. Moving on, we'll review the sand screw. CEC builds 2 sizes of sand screws: a single 36-inch by 25-foot sand screw with 100 tons per hour production, and dual 36-inch by 25-foot sand screws with 200 tons per hour production. Their specifications are similar. The screw is built around a 10-inch extra heavy-duty wall tube with welded flights and cast Nyhard bolt-on liners. The front drive system is a Dodge gearbox, power band belts, and totally enclosed fan-cooled motor. This system has a hinged enclosure to keep it clean and dry. The rear bearings and water boot are very important parts of the CEC wash plants. The rear shaft has a stainless steel shaft cover. The water boot is installed from the outside of the screw housing and held in place by a 2-inch thick round flange. The flange is machined with a retention groove for the seal and held in place by 12 cap screws. A 1.5-inch by 1/2-inch groove is machined into this flange to provide boot seal warning. This tells you to clean the seal in the event that something lodges in the boot. The bearing is a flange-mounted bearing of 50% greater capacity than most other sand screws. The flange mount gives a 1.5-inch separation of distance from the mounting flange to the bearing